Okay guys, I'm doing lifters on a 19 Jetta with a 1.4 liter. Okay, and for this I had to remove the timing belt and all that because I had to remove this cover, and this cover is attached to the camshaft. See, it's one piece. Camshaft are attached to the cover. It's not like the actual 2.0s and 1.8s. Okay, so for this I had to put the car on time, so all the timing marks lined up. Okay, and the way I did this was okay, first thing is you got to lift the car up, and you're gonna have like on the right side here of the block, you're gonna have a drain it looks like a drain plug, but it's not. Okay, this is where you're gonna put your timing mark pin in. So you're gonna remove this and remove it. Okay, but don't put the pin yet. Remove this. All right, now you're gonna bring the number one cylinder to bottom dead center, all the way to the bottom, and then you're gonna come up 30 millimeters. Okay, now you put the pin in. You see, you're gonna have a hole there because you removed this plug. So now you're gonna put a pin in. Okay, and then you're gonna rotate the crankshaft in the direction of engine rotation to the front of the car, and you're gonna feel the crankshaft lock. So that means you are in top dead center, like I'm on here. Okay, see, top dead center, timing marks. Just follow that procedure, okay, and you guys gonna be just fine. Okay, make sure you time the camshaft with a special tool here that I got from Amazon. It's gonna look like this. That's what locks the camshaft here. So I'm all set to go back. Okay, and this is what they're trying to tell you. See, they want you to bring the piston all the way down, and then they want you to come back 30 millimeters. And there's that bolt that I show you. Take it out, and you're gonna stick the pin in there, okay, until the crankshaft locks in place. Okay, and that's that. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, after that, just put it back together. Like I'm saying, this is all time and all that. This I gotta do lifters on this. They're all making noise. Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, the trick is bring the piston for cylinder number one all the way down. Then come back 30 millimeters, and then you're gonna be able to stick that pin in there. Okay. Then turn it toward engine rotation to the front of the car, and the crankshaft gonna lock. And that's it. You stop right there. Okay. You got that timed, and you got this thing timed up here, you should be fine to go back. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and comments or any question, just put it down below. Okay, thanks guys.